The AC50 Diesel Locomotive showcases the proven strength of high-power AC traction technology in heavy-haul freight service. Its double-cab, internal corridor configuration enhances operational safety and convenience. With 5,000 HP service power, a 25-ton axle load, a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour, and MU operation for up to 3 locomotives, the AC50 delivers consistent and powerful performance on mainline freight routes. Flexible axle load and gauge options make it a dependable solution for diverse railway systems and international markets. AC50 Diesel Locomotive, dependable power for efficient heavy freight transport.